Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, that gives a hand to thine. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? Here's a hand, my trusty friend, that gives a hand to thine. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old.
ये है राष्ट्रीय रक्षा अकेडमी। यहां आने का सपना लाखों देखते हैं, लेकिन इस दहलीज को पार कर पाते हैं सिर्फ 390 नौजवान।
Okay, all ladies, come here one line. All ladies. One line.
Right. Left.
Left.
Right.
Wow.
Left.
Oh wow.
Okay, good morning folks. 49 course is here for the Golden Jubilee and we are at the squad entry room and our CSM Amit Sharma. We told him you will give a speech as a CSM, not as an army commander. Over to it.
So the best part is that I'm speaking as CSM and not as an army commander. If I was speaking as CSM, none of these guys was ever present for the enemy. So I think that's the start point, and I think this is the first step they're hearing me standing here. And even if there was, the duty officer, somebody who's coming, 6 termers had to come. Good guys like Xerxes and Balankar Tiwari and Gurwara, of course, was the most decent guy. But Venu and Das had never come even if I think the situation is very unrealistic at the moment. And another difference is that the CSM, if he was standing, others were rolling or something like that. There was a CSM was standing and talking and otherwise looking and clapping. Sorry, this is not the way NDA was. If NDA become like this now, I'll be a little surprised. Nikam will have to come here and check again as to what's happening.
Okay.
And now that you're putting on record, I was telling Venu about the Dhanna thing you went out. Venu said, I didn't even know that you were so indisciplined. That's a serious thing.
What? You didn't know I was indisciplined?
No, you
No, you're talking about me.
You are
now.
disciplined.
I was
At
disciplined,
times. At times you are disciplined.
So, now that you're still recording, I can say that before the term started, CSM had to come earlier, so I came a week earlier. And for similar knowledge, even after passing out on series, I stayed another week in this garden. So I've enjoyed it for a long time. And even before the term started, 49 course was listed to be a very, very indisciplined kind of a course. For whatever reason, we were good guys actually. But
We hope.
so we hope, but even before the term started, like a good CSM was in this cabin and a young first timer was very neatly putting in my, setting my cupboard and things like this. And another gentleman who came to an ex-Foxy landed in and said how nice, etc. But in his how nice he reported to the I think
AQ.
no, not the AQ, to the center. He was the academy duty officer. Academy duty officer. And 3 days later, I was locked up and he said, you'll be marched up for relegation because you are ragging people. So I said, my God, and this was, I think, the second or third day I took over here. So then we said, what the hell do you do? Because now that we're going to be marched up and, I'm going to lose a term. So I'm going to inform my parents. So I said, how the hell do I inform my parents? So good friend, Success, Punai stepped in.
That's also punishable offense.
See, punishment.
Acting with a criminal.
Standing with a criminal now. So these are stories which are not. So then I said, Gus, I can't skip anti-room, I'll try and cover you, but so Gus is very sweet, he has a damn good friend, he said, मैं जाता हूँ. And by the time anti-room was on, Xerxes, there were no walls around NDA like now. It was raining heavily and Xerxes through गन्ने का खेत, ये वो बस पकड़ के he reached Pune. And there was a gentleman called Colonel Bhatia, who's also no more. And so Gus went to his house and he said, sir, I'm so-and-so and Amit is heading for relegation. Please come to tell me. So please inform his folks in Delhi so that they don't get a shock. He's okay out here. Fortunately for me, Colonel Bhatia was also from the Gorkhas and the deputy commandant, Colonel Chautiya was also from the Gorkhas. Ramnath Chautiya. So Ramnath Chautiya and them had a chat in Gorkhali and Ramnath Chautiya was told that if you want your life to be okay, you are not going to touch this youngster. So that is how, when Xerxes came back again by 10 o'clock at night and I was sweating, I said, Marge, kal kya hone wala hai? Xerxes said, buddy, cool, you are safe. So the next day when I marched up to Battalion Commander, L.S. Reddy was our devo. He's a sweet guy. He was sweating that this poor guy is going to get relegated. I was very relaxed. And sure enough, I marched in and the Battalion Commander gave me a solid pressing down and he said, this time I'm leaving you, march him out. So poor Reddy also was so shocked. He said, you are safe. So this is how I started my sixth term in Foxtrot. And after that, it was good fun for all of us. I think we had a lovely cause. We weren't the bullshitter kind of guys who, typical there. And Fox has always been a very civilized sport. And I hope it's like that. But Fox was never like, I would say, kiddo, golf, and the others around. I think we always had three.
I didn't realize lining his comments till today was actually ragging. So now I realized that was the most ragged person.
Nikam, if I have to now line my cover to myself, buddy, I'm going to call you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
T-room flying top floor. Okay.
You know what's a T-room flying, you know?
Yeah.
So his guests came one day. They're supposed to be coming to the anteroom. Okay.
She was a young girl.
There was a young girl in that. There's some relative of this. So the young girl was there. She wanted to go to the bathroom. Washroom in India is totally forbidden for ladies. Because once you enter that, those days you are without anything. just a gown and nothing else. And as soon as you get down, you even open your gown and carry on with your work. So, I was just coming out of my room when she entered the scene. And people dismayed her, but she said, no, I'll just go. She went up to the basin, just turned right, and then ran from there.
Oh my God.
That's the scariest sight that I've ever seen.
I have to find out from this journey. That is posted. It's nice.
And you can do nothing about it.
Can you tell I'm throwing you both out of the window?
All you have to do is yes, sir.
Chalo, Venu Gopal, some of your story.
You know, in the first term, we were all, we have technical stream and non-technical stream. So we are in non-technical stream. And intelligent people like Vedra they were all in science stream. So science stream has got A, B, C. The best guys are in A, B and C.
I was in D. D thing also.
So in non-tech it was 1, 2, 3, 4. So I was in 4. So we had a math teacher, Madame. So just come.
Just say what is 4 here.
What is the chance who are no good in anything?
But it's good in something.
Yeah, and one is good in, let's say, he was in 1. He was A now. Or 1. He was 1. He was non-tech 1 and I was 4. So the best guys were in 1. So we had one math teacher came, new guy, Madame. He just come, personally joined. So he used to, he used to teach and we used to sit in the last row and make fun of him. The 3 of us, Babu Singh, Iskam, me and Johnny Jacob. We 3 are from same class in science too. So we all 3 were, Johnny Jacob, you know, common course. So 3 of us used to sit in the last row and used to laugh at him, make fun of him.
John B. Jacob is the same regiment as I was.
Acha? Oh, that's just good, you know. So we used to laugh and make fun of him. So he said, all 3 of you will fail. Cannot get fail. And the first stage test was over. In that, I got 20 out of 20. Johnny got some 10, Bobsley got 11, they got 10%. So I got 15, I went for constant. Because you get distinction, you go for constant. In the second phase test, there are 2 phases, 20-20. Second phase test, I got 15 out of 20. So I had 35 marks. I was sure I get out of 60, I get 5 marks, no? I continued to make fun of him. And in the end, when the final this thing came, I had 4 out of 60. So I had 39 marks.
39.
39 and I came for retest. He said, I did not pass you. I said, sir, give me 1 mark. First time he said, no. You always used to make fun and you used to say, you don't know what correction he has done, how many, you can't take to take 1 mark. So it 4 marks, so 3 of us only came for retest. So now it is very difficult. And now out of 60 you have to get 40%. Every person is allowed. So you have to get 24 or 24 out of 60. This is difficult. So I went to DS Parab. He was a DO. Parab was a very nice guy. You know, though he's from RNC, but he was a very good guy.
You want to know.
And you know, he went to Sardar Khan, Master Kuldeep. He was the head of the department of maths. He went, talked to him, he was a whole of people to ensure that because I was the only one from Foxtrot. Johnny was Golf and Bob Singh was from Kilosa. And then I passed. Actually, I would not have passed in that different, but he spoke to them and that is how other 2 guys they got to on their own. So that is the first term for retest.
No, we were lucky that we had good reports.
Yeah, after the Reddy was very good.
DHC Parab was very good.
Parab was very good. That was only 1 term.
There was one Parsi gentleman also.
Darwala.
But he was not our class.
You don't know?
He was not our year, but
Was
so there was
Chopra was.
What division you were? 17 or 18? 18, no?
Yeah.
18 days.
Yeah, 18 days. Now, Patnaik has bota diya already. Please tell me.
Is it Delhi?
Suddenly in sixth term, Patnaik, Das and Mishra they decided to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi.
Oh.
And they got the idea that इसी फ्लैग में उन्होंने पूजा करना शुरू किया. And our DS एक दिन शाम को पहुंच गया, which was not authorized. पटनायक उठा, गाँव के बड़ा का ओम 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 करता टीका लगा दिया. DS didn't know what to do.
Yes, sir, ready na?
रेड्डी को उसने यही बोला पैसे रख.
We are in the flag. And एक दिन पटनायक रात को उसके दिमाग में क्या है तो बहुत बहुत people such a chap. That dustbin basket था ना, उसके अंदर एक कैंडल रखा.
Oh my God.
और वो रस्सी से नीचे उतारा और when he saw नाक एक कोई स्मरण दिया. Who is there? Who is there? और धीरे धीरे उसको ऊपर खींच लिया. He blew out the candle and सो गया. And Mishra was studying. And Nath says it's Mishra whose lights are off. Mishra was punished. Next day, Mishra is just giving Patnaik everything what he had.
I remember, Sudhakar used to be understudy for Moscow. And his cabin was right about this.
Poster.
No, either.
Water master was there, yeah?
Yeah, but his cabin was there.
The quartermaster उधर था.
That auntie does.
Until the understudy.
हाँ.
So his cabin was here in Diwali, all sweets had come, all those baskets and all for Diwali. That was in his cabin. So we were coming back from the Kerala place, and then someone said, why not hijack all the sweets? So someone helped me and we climbed from here, opened his window and I came inside. And बाकी all proxies, after PT we break up, after breakfast we break up here, everyone waiting like this, everyone telling me figure out. सब लोग लोग को बहुत जल्दी का है वो बात पे जरा आता हो कि मेरे को सारे पकड़े जाएंगे अभी जरा केम नो स्पेक्टर में आई डिड नो सुधाकर फाउंड आउट और आई डोंट नो
So he would always say, yeah, बच्चों में
एक पेस्ट्रीज टुगेदर
Normally the first time is not work. Normally. Because everyone is 7 days, 3, 4, 5, 6. And only if you have, suppose your school time or somebody is there in some garden, then that time you reach there. Then that system will get for and you eat there. In all squadron you can never eat.
That and fruit tipsy in
Protect.
cold coffee so you never got as youngster. You never saw cold coffee unless you were very healthy. Because
That's why so everything is good coffee.
Enjoy good coffee today. There were two greatest bullshit masters for me throughout the course. And there were number one was Venugopal and number two was Sayaji. And incidentally of all it, they both are present.
Oh my God.
Yeah, इसको तो is not fair.
That is anything correct or not. When I was doing a diving course, they call CDO, specialized diving course, which is a very, very tough moment of life. And suddenly I see Venugopal landing up there, Of all the way somewhere in Cochin, I said, what the hell you are doing, Anyway, coming back to the Fox story, I came from Sainik School, Jamnagar. And there was obviously the stories of ragging. यार जैसे जाओगे ये होगा रोलिंग होगा फलाना होगा तो there is an element of fear is always there in you. तो हम बस खड़ी हो गई और बस के बाद निकले I came to know I was in Foxhall तो बैग बुक लेके यहाँ पे आ गए and this was my cabin and I मेरे cabin में अभी just now Nikam showed so my cabin was there and the next cabin was sergeant. So the sergeant was also one of the most scary guy in those days, Vikram sergeant. So थोड़ी देर के बाद when I घबराता you first come out बाहर कोई है तो नहीं. The first few days are like that, You know when you go to the bathroom, I hope nobody is there taking a shower and you quickly take a shower and come back because you are not used to that kind of a thing. So anyway, I came out, looked out of the door, and to my surprise, I found the sergeant Vijay Sharma, VK Sharma. He was comparatively a decent guy.
Decent guy, very decent guy.
And VK Sharma,
उनका क्या हाल करके रखना है आप लोगों ने?
I think the fourth term, midterm break, the last day, there was some fight in Pune, where cadets and bus conductor, driver and all that, and गदर हो गया Pune में, cops had to be called. About 5, 10, 15 cadets were caught, and immediately next day, we given a lecture on a Monday after the midterm break that these cadets are getting at least 14 days restriction. हमारा क्या हो गया फॉक्सट्रॉट में दोनों कैडेट except Sayaji had gone on midterm break, he had decided to come on Monday morning. Yeah, he thought nobody will catch him. But he was caught because everybody was on the lookout for catching guys on Monday morning. So, abhi scene shifts to our flank. There is his advisor K.S. Venugopal. And I was in the advisory committee. Advisory committee to see whether the advice is okay. So Sayaji saying, 14 days will get I have to be relegated. You are already, in the fag end of the limit of restrictions. So, case, सोच क्या बोल रहा है? अब ये हो गया. You say you came there and like a good disciplined cadet, you didn't want to get involved in this fight and all that, and you went back, and that is why you came next one. I also thought that's a good deal, Deputy Commandant impress हो जाएगा. And he was marshal. He said, sir, I came there the previous night. There was a fight going on in the bus stand. I said, like a disciplined cadet, I don't want to get into a fight. I went back home and came back Monday morning. Actually, it happened. Everybody else got 14 days. He got 21 days.
I tell you why.
Deputy Commandant said, 14 days of coming late, 7 extra days for leaving your brother officers behind and not fighting with them.
The battalion commander was Jawad, One thing he asked me, after hearing all this story, I was not there. So these people only told me, tell them you are in the bus and this happened and all. So when I came to the squad, ready and all, tell us first and information, what happened? अभी सालों में तो था ही नहीं, तो एक झूठ के ऊपर एक झूठ मैंने कहा सालों झगड़ा आई था, झगड़ा पीछे हुआ था, so I think I was sitting in the front seat, So what did you see? मैंने कहा sir, I could not see much, but there some blows the exchange, हवा में था, तो मैंने कहा master तू जमा ले लो, he asked me, what service are you from? So it's Colonel, number 2 batting. I said I am from army. And you fucker, you ran away from there. You should be thrown out of the country. मैंने कहा सर अभी if I tell him I was not there, he says I was telling lies. No, you must be thrown out. दोनों तरफ से फंस गए. And ये सारे सब मेरे भाई.
That common solution never worked in India.
ज़्यादा planning करोगे तो ज़्यादा फंसोगे. For them first hour to fall in the first lobby at 4 o'clock. Imagine how I would be doing it. Foxtrot squad will pay attention. Foxtrot squad fighter squad. Ready to laugh, particularly in youngsters. Why are you laughing? The कौन तो शूट है? तेरा तो एक्शन में बहुत गड़बड़ है. चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
Recently,
तेरा नाम नहीं है उसके अंदर फॉक्स में मैं डाल रहा हूँ वहाँ पे. तो मैंने कहा सर आपको पता कैसे चला मैं फॉक्स में हूँ? कहता यार वो गोवा के अंदर एक बंदा है. जब मैंने उसको कुछ बात निकली तो he said you are his first on DCC and you seem to have ranked him so much that he hasn't forgotten your name.
He never ranked me.
And I never ranked anybody but पता नहीं वो क्या है. And he recommended him कि नायक का नाम तो है ही नहीं इसके अंदर. So that is how I got inducted into the forces. Another incident was which came to my mind is when all this came out of narrating their story, that I came and my cabin was here and I slipped out And suddenly I saw Vikesh Sharma, the sergeant, the most difficult guy amongst everybody. And he was my schoolmate. He was my very good friend in school. And he was from the same area where I come from. And his cabin was next to mine. Can you imagine? Either life is made now for 6 months.
No, I don't know, sir. I don't know, sir. Somebody may have put it.
Did you put it there? No, sir. Because उसको ही punishment मेरे को ही punishment मैं क्या करते क्या पता नहीं मेरे को
Good, sir.
Okay, now do running.
बोलो कर दो गया कि नहीं Yo yo Lima, yo yo Lima, yo yo Lima, yo yo Lima. Foxtrot Squadron! Yeah! Yo! Thank you!